Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Asavela Mqokiyana, and you're probably wondering why she's gaining weight, all pretty and thick. Girl recently beka attended a party ka Lachongo, and after drama guys ebingapheli. So as we all know, Asavela Mqokiyana was married to Vuyiswa Mqokiyana, and they shared a public life, including building a home together, which friends followed closely. Yakumbula as a feeding kuku and stuff. Yeah. So early 2024, rumors surfaced that Ubuhle Samuels and Uthando were facing marital issues. Ex-husband Kabuhle Samuels and Ubuhle waqina wahamba kukhela Bulasemedrand, and ex-husband Kabuhle Samuels repossessed a Porsche previously gifted her as a part of the fallout. Guys, Ubuhle akafunde around mid-year 2024, bakune gossip kuthiwa uVuyisa was cheating on Asavela with Ubuhle, and Umusa Kawula claimed that Ubuhle had left Uthando and moved into a certain apartment previously occupied by Asavela. Imagine. Hey. And the fueling accusations that Ubuhle was a home wrecker, this led to a public speculations about the end of Asavela's marriage, with some blaming Ubuhle's involvement in the final straw. Kuyena lo 2024 lo mid u-Asavela ke wavuma ukuthi uyadivosa and that she just want to move on and focus on her life. And ama-fans were shading Ubuhle ukuthi why ahlukanise u-Asavela, and there was a lot of comparison. Every time Asavela posta i-video, yabo baloba busy ba-mention Ubuhle ukuthi yo ugirl banye kayenze njengawe nton guys. And in August 2024, Abuhleke was celebrating a new luxury Porsche SUV on social media, and she claimed ukuthi it's a birthday gift to herself. Ngasikhathi beka ku-dealership vele. And we all asked ourselves ukuthi uyithatha imali, because we all know ukuthi nje acting doesn't pay that much. And that time umuntu wakhona uceda ukudivorca. And ama-rumors were linked ke that uVuyisa ulamthengela yona le Porsche le while he was still married cabanga to Asavela. Ireland the cabang guys. She allegedly faced an unverified claim of a fraud and forgery related to the same Porsche. Imagine. And reports were saying she falsified documents and signatures to obtain it, leading to its seizure by the law. Ugel wavela ke Alexandra Magistrate Court asho ukuthi yena namaphepha vele asho ukuthi yena unemployed, and then relationship yabo yaphela, kwasha indlu yakabo Vuyisa, or that was his house, yeah, yasemakhaya yasha. Guys, it's like Asavel's praise were like, hey, ayathusa. Hayi ke October ngiyakutshela guys, Asavela ingathi nje uyakwatile. Ngiyakutshela wena ugirl waphosta aphakathi kwe-Porsche ku-Instagram abuyelile nakwakhe, kanti hayi ugirl won the divorce or settlement, yeah. Hayi ke sabona lapho nathi ukuthi yazini ama-prayers ka-Asavela are very very strong.